if you try to teach yourself tattooing from random YouTube videos and reels, but your lines still wobble, shading still looks patchy, and you're just wondering, am I even getting better? Or am I just wasting fake skin? I built this page and this community for people like you and me when I was at that point. My name is Ziggy. I've been tattooing for 13 years. I work full-time in studio and I teach the team that feed their families with exactly the same information I'm about to teach you. At this moment, over 280,000 people learn and watch from the small short videos I put on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and right now 600 and more students are inside school community, learning from the long videos which you don't see on social media. So if you ever watch my videos and thought to yourself, if I just had this explained to me step by step by step, I would actually get somewhere. And that's exactly what this is. Most people who land here on this page feel a mix of this. You're lost, you don't know what to practice next, your line work shakes, your blacks don't heal solid, and your shading looks like clouds, patchy, but it's not smooth as you wanna. And you're not even sure if you actually are learning the right things or just copying some person's bad habits that you saw on YouTube or saw your Pinterest or saw on Reels and short videos. You just don't know. Or you dream about somebody picking you into the studio, or at least you don't wanna embarrass yourself when you actually work on a real person. And with all this, still no one believes that you can actually do it. And if that's you, it's not your fault. No one handed you a clear path. You've been trying to build a career out of small videos and comment sections and Facebook pages. So here's the different way I'm giving you. So instead of small tips, I'm giving you full step-by-step, which takes you from no clue to a studio-ready person and portfolio in the right order, with proof-based drills, so you can see yourself actually improving on the fake skins. So inside Tattoo School, you get, number one, structured video lessons. I film full videos on fake skin. I explain every needle, every angle I hold, every movement, every corner, every path, machine setup, in easy language, easy to understandable language. And I try to keep in bullet points, so no fluff and just speak what really matters. Second, which is clear roadmap, because you need to know what needs to focus on in week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, in the month 1, and month 2, month 4. You need to know what to do in each stages because your progress grows, you become a different person. You need to know what is the next thing you need to focus on. So you always know what's the next drill instead of like you guessing and hoping you hit it right. Number 3, breakdowns of common mistakes. Why your lines blow out, why your shading heals patchy, if it's even there, why your blanks look washed out and how to get them in. As we will tattoo, I will explain as I'm tattooing what to do, what not to do, and what happens if you do it the wrong way. So you have all the knowledge. What to do and what not to do at the same time. Number 4 is community of learners. So in this community, there's people before the studios, hobbyists, apprentices, studio owners, people been tattooing for years, and people who don't even have a tattoo machine yet. All of them are posting their work, posting their pictures and videos, and asking questions, so you can see other questions and you get the answers to yourself without even asking a question. So everybody learns 10 times as fast. So you're not in a bedroom by yourself wondering if you're doing the right thing or if it sucks or not. And then number 5 is you get the bonuses. There's bonuses how to get clients and how you prepare yourself for the shop if you work in a shop because you are wanting to be in a shop. So we go from stencils to policies to marketing and sales. It's how my team makes full-time income every single day. And you also see a few more videos on this side from students inside the school. In their own words, what do they think about? How they went from hiding the sheets, hiding the fake skins, to actually being invited in studios, or in other words, headhunted. How they finally get clean lines and smooth shading after years of struggling and watching YouTube videos, and how following just a simple roadmap stopped them from bouncing between 100 YouTube videos and seeing no results whatsoever. These aren't actors, these are real people. These are the students in tattoo school, and they all are parents, workers, apprentices, moms, dads, people like you, and also people that no one believed in. They had to do it themselves. They had to make it work. People who actually decided to do the work and get the job done. So here's how the joining works. When you're gonna click the button below, you will be represented with 3 different tiers, 3 different levels of access to information. You need to pick the one that matches your interest in tattooing. If you just started and you wanna just have a look around, pick the $5 per month one, and you will see the community, you will see the posts, and you're gonna see what's inside the school. If you're more serious and you want more education, or you want to have access to all the videos, pick the 17 one, because that's where all the students are. They are on that tier, and they have access to 99.99% of the content, and they learn super fast. And if you are all in tattooing, you really want to get the max out of every situation, every second, you can pick the top tier, which is VIP, where I will take your WhatsApp number and I will really try to get you to the new you. You'll get 100% access to everything, even the marketing and sales and all the top tier level content. And you will get me as your coach who looks from over your shoulder. That's the VIP tier. Overall, all of them give you access to community, just different tiers give you access to different levels. The higher level you pick, the faster you progress, the more shortcuts you get in a sense. And here's my simple promise to you. Go through the modules, do the drills, do the work, compare the fake skin before and after. So what students do actually is they come in to do the piece and they leave for 2 months. That's like a trend that everybody has done. Leave it there and don't do anything with that design. Then you do other designs, you do watch videos, you do the training, you do as much as you possibly can. And at some point in 2 or 3 months, you do exactly the same design. And you're gonna see, when you're gonna put them side by side, you will see how much you actually leveled up, how much you actually progressed, and how fast you evolved. It's gonna be a clear indication of how much you actually gained in a really short time. But if you honestly don't see your work going better, if you don't get your lines cleaner, if your shading doesn't improve, and if your black doesn't actually go inside, and you don't feel more confident of what you're doing, I don't need your money. You can cancel in school anytime you want. There is no contract or nothing like that. If you feel like it's not worth it, it's not worth it. I put 13 years of my experience into this, and my team makes full-time living every day from the same knowledge. And hundreds of students already progressing with it at this very moment. And I'm betting if you actually use it, you'll see how it works, how good it works, and you'll stay, because you'll see it works. So here's the choice. You can keep scrolling, watching more reels, more short videos, more likes, more shorts. You can keep saving posts as you've been saving already. Feel like kind of working, kind of not, but never really seeing the jump in your work. Or you can commit, join a community, follow the roadmap, and a few months later you look back at your work and you'll be laughing how bad that is and how good you've become. If you watch my free content and it already helped you, imagine what happens if you get everything in the right order, the full length, all videos, whole videos, every video, and together with the community you walk in the same path, asking the same questions, learning the same subjects. Click the button below, pick your tier, and I'll see you inside Ziggy Tattoo School on your first lesson. Bring your machine, bring your fake skin, and your dreams. I'll bring my 13 years of experience, multiple styles, and clear path for you. All right, let's go back to work.